Fridge News by Colin Thiele. Our notice board is really our fridge in disguise. If you are able to find the door, you discover eggs, milk, and cold drinks inside. Our fridge receives messages in all weathers. Notes and tips held there by magnetic clips. It's like a rectangular rooster pasted with paper feathers. It has reminder notices about reminder notices. May we suggest again that Katie's teeth be inspected to ensure they're not infected. Our fridge is an unfortunate record of all our debts. Accounts for milk and papers, Katie's music fees, and bills for worm powder from the vet. Like an elephant, our fridge never forgets. It's strong on greeting cards and messages. Harry Hooper's got the bends. Here we are lying on the beach at Cairns. Hope Sam's broken elbow mends. Our fridge can even take you back in time to last year's lottery tickets and old photos of Dad at union pickets. Mum says it's time we cleaned it up and took the whole mess out to the rubbish bin. But if we did that, and something went missing, we'd never know where to look.